to discuss data encoding protocols. So in the previous lecture I have discussed that there are three data representation schemes, that is SUN XDR, external data representation, ASN, abstract syntax notation number, and XML, extensible markup language. So first one is SUN XDR. It basically stands for external data representation. SUN, external data representation. It allows a selected set of programming data types and data structures to be specified with IPC operation. It is a standard for the description and encoding of data. XDR uses a language to describe data format. The language can only be used only to describe data. It is not a programming language. XDR बेसिकली यूज़ करता है 4 बाइट. इसका बेस यूनिट कितना है? 4 बाइट. एंड इट इज़ बेसिकली अ बिग एंडियन ऑर्डर. स्मॉलर डेटा टाइप्स स्टिल ऑक्यूपाई 4 बाइट्स. मतलब जितना भी डेटा टाइप स्मॉलर है ऑल विल ऑक्यूपाई 4 बाइट्स. What are the data types in XDR representation? So in XDR representation, data types can be Boolean, integer will take 32-bit, unsigned integer, hyper, it is 64-bit integer, enumeration, structure, string. We can use fixed length array, variable length array, union, void, etc. Next is ASN, abstract syntax notation number 1. It is a standard for abstract syntax notation number 1. It is basically a OSI standard, open system interconnection standard. ये क्या स्पेसिफाई करता है? It basically transfers syntax for representing network data. That means it transfers syntax जो कि जब भी हम लोग नेटवर्क पर डेटा सेंड करते हैं तो इट इज़ यूज टू रिप्रेजेंट डेटा इन द नेटवर्क. एंड द नोटेशन प्रोवाइड अ सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ प्री डिफाइंड बेसिक डेटा टाइप. क्या क्या इसमें इसका डेटा टाइप्स क्या क्या है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सिंटैक्स नोटेशन का? तो इट कैन बी इंटीजर, बूलियन, कैरेक्टर, स्ट्रिंग्स, एट्सेट्रा. नेक्स्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज XML. And ASN basically used at the higher level of abstraction. Next is XML. So XML, we use XML at even higher level of abstraction than the abstract notation. ठीक है. The extensible markup language has emerged as a data description language for sharing among applications. Sharing among applications, that means on basic on internet applications. It is very similar to hypertext markup language, but the difference is कि यहाँ पे हम लोग we can use our customize tag. ठीक है. So हम XML can go one step beyond ASN because it uses customize tag to specify a unit of data content. It can also be facilitate data interchange among heterogeneous system to segregate the data content of web page from the displaying syntax. And it also allow the data to be shared among applications. Okay. So go through this video and let me know if you're facing any kind of problem. Thank you.